All right, welcome back. Let's get into some technical analysis today and look at some charts. Let's get into it. Let's get technical. I wanna get technical. It's like that scene in The Office where Michael and Holly are singing, "Let's get ethical." Whatever. Okay, so here's the chart. Here's Bitcoin chart. Trading view. So this is using the Fibonacci retracement. That's what I love. Talk about all the time. From this high, pivot high, all the way down to this pivot low. And you can see that we did break above it, but then got immediately rejected. This is off the daily chart. So that's kind of still operating as resistance, even though it did break. It held for a day, and then it immediately came back down. So the good news is, and what I'm guessing is going to happen is, but like I said, it's a guess, and this isn't always for sure, but we have support here, right, at the 0.5, and the 21 EMA is sitting right there. So analysis, the technical analysis is saying there should be some support there. We'll just have to wait and see if it drops down, which I'm guessing it probably will, but when and if it drops down, if it can find support there, I'm thinking probably will, but again, I'm going to wait and see. Because yeah, there's a lot of support. I mean, even back here, it's come down there, so there should be a lot of strong support around that 0.5, which is basically 92,000. So yeah, so Bitcoin, we broke this downtrend with volume. We flipped this now to support the 0.5. We are getting rejected at the 96,000, the 0.618. I'm guessing we're going to come down and retest this where the 21 EMA and the 0.5 is, but again, we'll have to wait and see. So let's look at XRP and try to make this a kind of a quick video. So this is on still kind of the uptrend that it's broken, but it's still, I mean, it's consolidating, and I have from this pivot low to this pivot high, so I have that Fibonacci as a uptrend, and it's kind of getting chopped in here. It's just consolidating right in between the 0.5 and 0.618, where this has operated as resistance, where the 0.618 has kind of been support. Not a lot of strong support. It's kind of fallen Bitcoin, but obviously Bitcoin has gone, broken this downtrend and gone up, and XRP is kind of still consolidating, which again, if you guys know and been following crypto, Bitcoin kind of does it first, and then these other coins, especially Ethereum and XRP, start following after. So just for fun, let me take this pivot high to this pivot low and see. So the 0.5 and 0.618, we haven't even got up in that area. So this downtrend, so let me just so this is going to be more clear. Let me get rid of this chart. So once, we break this kind of downtrend, and maybe we chop up in here and then break this and then start getting up in here, getting up in this area. This might, I'm guessing this will be resistance at the point, or the $2.50 mark, and if it breaks that, then we'll have some resistance around the 270. But in the near future, I could see this being, coming up and testing this, or breaking above that and testing this, and eventually breaking above that. Just how long that'll take, but that is kind of what we're looking for. It hasn't gone up there. Like I said, it's still in this area, in this uptrend, where this is kind of support, but again, I don't see that in the technical sense as strong support, because it's kind of rejecting the 21 EMA, and there isn't a whole lot of support here. I mean, there's a little bit more below it, right, in this area, which is, the psychological $2 mark around that area. So we'll have to wait and see. The XRP chart isn't as clear, at least for me, as the Bitcoin chart, which is the Bitcoin chart I'm liking. It's looking good from a technical standpoint. But again, we'll just have to wait and see. That's just the fun part, and maybe the most annoying part too is you want to wait and see. I would always say just wait and see instead of just jumping in thinking, oh yeah, it's definitely going to find support here and then bounce off. No, it doesn't have to do that, but it's looking good. So just real quick, let's just go to coin market cap and see where we are. Down 0.55, broken below the 3 trillion overall market cap. So, still a lot of volatility, which is, normal, very much very much crypto. The altcoin season, though, is up just a little bit. So that means Bitcoin dominance is coming down just a little bit, which I like to see. I like to see for my favorite XRP, as you know. So yeah, Bitcoin volume up, market cap down a little bit, chopping around, volume up, probably because a lot of selling pressure and everything. And XRP volume up, yep, market cap down, same, it's volatile, and just probably because some volume coming in at some buys maybe and getting ready to buy around here, or it's just some selling pressure a little bit, but a lot of short-term stuff. And we're waiting to this Wednesday, if I remember correctly, is the Fed meeting. So this week will probably still be pretty volatile. So that is it for this video. Just a little technical analysis looking at the Bitcoin chart, the XRP chart. Like I said, Bitcoin is looking a little bit better, and it does it first, right? It does Bitcoin goes first, and then Ethereum, XRP, etc. start following Bitcoin. So Bitcoin start looking good. Doesn't have to do what I said it's going to do or think it's going to do. But the technicals are looking good. XRP consolidating, waiting for its move. Not really a whole lot. And even from the technical standpoint, it's not giving me a whole lot. So we'll just see what it does, if it's going to consolidate still in there, or if it's going to break one of those points on the fib. Because again, it doesn't have to follow any of that, but it's usually a good indicator using technical analysis. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thanks for stopping in, and check out more videos on my YouTube channel, or go check out some more videos on crypto and XRP, whatever you're doing today, and enjoy, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.